If you're getting ready to retire, you certainly have a lot on your plate. There's a lot of things that you have to deal with. Obviously, Medicare is one of them, but another one is Social Security. So you've been working all your life and you're going to retire and you're going to collect your Social Security. So what we don't want in retirement are surprises. So I'm going to go through some things right now on the taxes that you're very likely going to pay on your Social Security benefit. I'm Keith Armbrecht, founder of Medicare on Video. I help people across the country make the right Medicare choices. I can absolutely help you as well when it's time for you to sign up for Medicare. If you stay with me till the end, I'll show you how to download my book right now for free, Medicare Made Clear. Put a lot of time and effort into this book, and it has just about everything that you need, including videos in the book, the links that you need, everything that you need to sign up and get going with Medicare. But I'll show you that at the end. Right now, we're going to talk about Social Security and something that can come as a surprise to a lot of folks. And I don't know about you, but when I go into retirement, I absolutely expect to still have an income. So I'm generating a business. If you're self-employed or if you have a business, if you're not just a regular kind of 9-to-5 worker where you quit and then you go into retirement, if you're going to bring along with you income that you've built up, this is certainly important to understand. So what comes as a surprise to a lot of people is that your Social Security benefit is likely going to be taxed. So it's not tax-free money coming to you. You've probably looked at some reports on when you're going to retire. You may have $2,000 or $3,000 a month that you're expecting to receive from Social Security. And a lot of people think, well, heck, it's been tax money taken out of my paycheck all these years. It's bound to be tax-free, but that's just not the case if you hit certain thresholds. And those thresholds are super low. So if you're going to have any kind of income in retirement, chances are you're going to pay tax on your Social Security. So how does it actually work? So the good news is that they can only tax a maximum of 85% of your Social Security benefit. So that's it, 85%. So that leaves 15% will be tax-free of your Social Security money. But likely you're going to get taxed on the rest of it. So how does it actually function? So if you hit thresholds if you have income between $25,000 and $34,000 a year, they're going to tax up to 50% of your Social Security money. So that's not a big threshold. If you exceed $34,000 a year in income, that's where they're going to jack it up and tax 85% of your Social Security benefit. So that's a significant amount on a very low threshold. So how exactly do we get to that threshold? And again, not super complicated. It's pretty simple. It is your adjusted gross income plus non-taxable interest plus half of your Social Security benefit. So they're going to include whatever you're getting from Social Security in the amount to determine whether they're going to tax your Social Security. Half of your Social Security benefit equals your combined income. So again, if that combined income exceeds $34,000, including half of your Social Security benefit, it's going to be taxed. And so basically you're going to wipe off 25 to 30% of your Social Security benefit as regular taxable income once you're retired. So it's certainly something that we need to understand so that we aren't blindsided by this and we're counting on that money going forward. So it's kind of crazy that they can tax, again, something that is tax related, but kind of that's how it works. So I want to just make sure that this point is clear. And obviously what I do is help with Medicare. And certainly if you're going to be coming into Medicare, subscribe to the channel. That's what my video is all about, is how to get your Medicare set up exactly the way that you want it. And we make it super easy to do. I'm happy to help with any of it. Send me an email, give me a call. We'll walk you right through everything to make sure that we get all your pieces in the right places. I hope you found this helpful. Have a fantastic day. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you found it very helpful. Here are a couple other things that you'll also find helpful as you go through Medicare. The first one is a copy of my book, Medicare Made Clear. You can download it right now for free. I've put a lot of time and effort into this book, and you'll see I cover just about every piece of Medicare, and I've written it in a way that makes it pretty easy to understand. Now, I also have videos throughout the book, so if you don't want to read through all the information, click on the video and I'll explain it all to you right there. You'll also find all the links that you need to either sign up for Medicare or things that you're going to need now or in the future when things come up related to Medicare. So take just a minute, Go to MedicareOnVideo.com/free book and you can download it right now. Now also make sure once you're in Medicare that every year you come back and visit Medicare Price Check. This is my other website where I make it super easy for us to compare our current coverage against new plans that may be less expensive. And remember that Medicare supplements are standardized, so it doesn't matter which insurance company we use, we'll still have the same Plan G or the Plan N that we have now, but hopefully we can get it at a lower price. So visit MedicarePriceCheck.com. Real easy. We'll email you the quote. If it makes sense, then we'll do it from there. So I hope you found all this helpful. Have a fantastic day. Hey, don't go anywhere. These are some of my most recent videos right here. You can also find the link right below this video to download my book, Medicare Made Clear, absolutely free. You can also subscribe to my channel right here. So please download my book, watch some videos, subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.